Google Flights has a helpful feature called Explore, which is perfect if you want to travel but haven't decided on a destination yet. First, go to google.com/flights. Enter your departure city. You'll see a map view showing. Instead of typing a destination, click on Explore. Different destinations around the world with their estimated flight prices. You can adjust your travel dates, choose a trip length, and set a budget to see destinations that fit your plan. Use the filters to select non-stop flights, preferred airlines, or travel class. Click on any destination on the map to view available flights and compare prices. Once you find a destination you like, select your flight. Google Flights will then redirect you to the airline or booking partner to complete the reservation. If you want expert assistance in choosing destinations, finding the best fares, or booking your tickets, Tripformers is here to help. Call +1 888 864 4136. Visit tripformers.com. Tripformers helps turn your travel ideas into unforgettable journeys.